Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did to fix the dedicated server lag. First, I came across this article right here, and I'm going to be putting this link in the description. And it's super easy if you just follow the directions, but I'm going to be showing you what I did because this is specifically for a dedicated server in Valheim if you have it on your computer. Okay, I run a dedicated server through Bisect Hosting, and I'm sure it's going to be this workaround is going to be similar for other website hosting plans. So I couldn't really figure it out at first because, you know, it's just for a dedicated server on your own PC. But I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. If you're like me and you play with some friends on Valheim, you'll notice that the lag is ridiculous whenever you get around each other. Mobs start going through the floor and a bunch of other bullcrap. You can't even fight bosses together. And I just play with 3 people. I desperately needed a fix for this. Because we play with mods on our dedicated server. We play with EpicLoot, and that's a lot of new variables added into the game files. This is exactly what you're gonna do. Go to this address and follow the directions. And I'm just gonna zoom by the directions really quickly. So first, before you do that, if you are hosting a server through a different website like Bisect, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to the file manager, the server data managed. Okay, here it is. Then you're gonna want to download this file right here, assembly_Valheim DLL. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it, and let's keep. I made a separate folder right here, Valheim server DLL, and I'm just going to move that DLL into that folder right there. You're going to go into the actual Valheim settings. So let's go to local disk. Then we're going to go to program files 86. Program files 86. We're going to go to Steam. We're going to go to Steam apps, common, Valheim, Valheim data, managed. And then here's all the DLLs right here. So what we're gonna do whenever we have these 2 files open, we're gonna duplicate this right here. We're gonna copy, and then I'm just gonna Control V, paste it in there. I'm gonna rename this hack. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so this is the server. It's just a duplicate, but it's renamed hack. And I'm gonna move it into the managed folder of Valheim. You're gonna need to move this DLL into the original Valheim on your computer, those files, because it needs to compile to a specific directory. And then we're gonna go to the dnSpy. I'm gonna open this. Then I've already downloaded it before, but it might look a little bit different for you. But you just gotta open right here. And then I'm going to go to the same directory that we just went for. We're going to pull up that hacked Valheim. This is the backup. So we're going to go to local C, program files 86, Steam apps, common, Valheim data, managed. Then we're gonna pull up the hacked DLL right here. All right, so this pulls up. Once this pulls up, we need to view Assembly Explorer. Okay, we're gonna go to edit, and we're gonna search assemblies. Okay, and now we're gonna type in zdomain or zdom. Okay, so we're just gonna double click like that. Okay, so now we're in Z domain. Control F. Okay, so now once we're here, we're going to Control F, send queue size. Let's go here, Control F, send queue. Okay, right here. Okay, so I've already modified this before, and I'm actually changing this again because it wasn't enough. I'm actually changing this number. Your number is gonna say like where is it, 10 10240. I changed it to this number and this still isn't doing it for me. So we're gonna need to change both of these numbers right here. So I'm actually changing my number to 61440, and that is 6 times this number right here. All right, so let's pull that up. Let's double click. Actually, we're gonna right click, edit class C right there. And then I'm going to change this to 61440. And then also change this one to 61440. There we go. Then we're going to compile it. Okay, so you choose File, Save Module. Okay. Boom, it's saved. Now it's done. Okay. So now that we have this, we can close out of that. We have successfully updated our hacked DLL. So now we're going to move that. So I'm going to click this Control X for cutting it, and then I'm going to paste it into the Valheim server DLL right here. There it is. Okay, so that's the hack. Now we're going to go back to the Bisect the server. So it's running right now. I'm going to stop it. All right, now it's officially offline. So let's go to the file manager. Let's go to server data, managed. Okay, so now we need to get rid of this DLL because this still has the source code that sucks. So let's delete this. Delete. Yes, delete file. And now we're going to upload our hacked file. Desktop Valheim, the hack. All right, it's uploaded right here. And then we're going to rename this. We're gonna take away that right there, rename. All right, it should be done. And that is basically it. That is how to fix a dedicated server's lag with your players. Hopefully that helped y'all out because it helped me out. Thanks for watching.